How to log in into SBI Credit Card account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for SBI Credit Card login. Wait for a while for it to load. You will be landing on this page. Scroll down and different sites will be available to you, but head over to the very first site. You will be landing on this page. In here, different categories in order to log in will be visible to you. One is via mobile number, the other is user ID, and the next one is card details. Well, you can log in from any of the options in which you have created your account. Simply enter all of your login credentials and then click on sign in. After that, you will be successfully logged into your account and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your SBI Credit Card account online. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.